Let us have this example. So the example that I would like to share to you in your qualitative research case presentation is this. So the case is all about uh, I want to immerse on the experience of excellence among faculty members of San Felipe Neri Catholic School. So I would like to see how they are experiencing excellence on their teaching, on what they are doing, on how they perform their duties and responsibilities to the schools and to the students and to their fellow teachers. So this this excellence, which is a core value of the school, will guide me. Okay, excellence, which is a core value of the school, will guide me in the understanding. So, what's inside of the case? So, ito yung sabi ko sa inyo na from general to specific of the case. So, as one of the core values of the school, uh, core values is defined as the act, or excellence is defined as the act of doing someone else's duty or role in a state wherein hindi pwede ang pwede na. So that is the definition of San Felipe Neri Catholic School core values to excellence. So meron na akong guide. Ano yung mga ginagawa ng mga teacher na hindi pwede ang pwede na nagpapakita na hindi pwede ang pwede na. So this is what will help me to track where excellence is. But the problem is I cannot count excellence in their actions. So I need to hear stories. I need to hear narratives from them so that I can see that they really manifest excellence in what they are doing. Though excellence in teaching can be delivered in several ways, each teacher has their own unique capability in setting their own standards of excellence and align it with the core values of the school. Each teacher has his own way, has his own way or her own way of doing excellence. There are teachers who are very good in teaching instruction. There are teachers who are very good in human relationship, student-teacher relationship, teacher-to-teacher relationship, a teacher-to admin relationship. There are teachers who are very good on that, and they set excellence on their own specialization. There are teachers who are good in their subject specialization, who are good in math, who are good in science, in English, etc. This excellence can be felt being done by the teachers in various ways. And then again, as I said, we cannot count it so that I need to hear, I need to listen to their stories. So this is what the case is all about. I need to look on the experience of excellence among teachers in San Felipe Neri Catholic School. And what will guide me is the core values of the school. Now, so syempre, who are the participants? The participants of the study will be the randomly selected faculty administrators, because there are administrators who are also teaching of San Felipe Neri Catholic School. And they will be grouped according to their years of service. Siyempre, ano ba yung excellence nitong mga teacher na 1 year pa lang sa teaching, 2 years pa lang, or nasa 6 to 10 years in teaching na, how do they perform excellence in their ways? So, napakasimple nung case, pero nandoon siya. The essence of the case is there. Okay? And then, let's have the theory of the study. What is the theory all about? I will be using the transformational leadership theory according to James MacGregor Burns in 1978, and the transactional leadership theory according to Weber in 1947 and Bass in 1981, in which according to them, transformational leadership theory is when the people in the organization is driven because of motivation and purpose. Yung excellence ba na ginagawa ni teacher ay transformational? Kasi nakikita ba niya yung kahalagahan niya dun sa organization kaya inspired siyang magtrabaho? Is the is the performance of excellence driven due to motivation, due to the realization of purpose. So that is transformational leadership. And another one is the transactional leadership. Is the performance of excellence among teachers brought because of rewards, sanctions, and duties? Nagpe-perform ba siya ng excellence kasi makakakuha siya ng reward, makakakuha siya ng additional pay, makakakuha siya ng grandeur, ng awards. Yan. So, though there are two theories. And these two theories that I will be using will help me to determine whether their excellence is brought by transformational or transactional. And the working title of the research will be The Lived Experience of Excellence Among Faculty and Administrators on a PASCO accredited school, an examination using transformational and transactional leadership lens. And that's all. That ends the presentation. That's how